Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tunde. If you guys are new, please subscribe. Press the subscribe button. It's right there, I think. Just, press the button and watch my old videos. If you want, if you can, you should. But yeah, welcome to my channel. Today, I am doing makeup. I'm doing a quarantine look. Well, it's not a look. I'm just literally like doing whatever I feel is correct. Yeah, so I'm gonna be doing my makeup. If you guys want to see my quarantine random look I'm doing, then keep watching the video. Okay, so I did my eyebrows off camera and I did actually like them. Usually my eyebrows are really dark and I stopped liking like how dark they were, so I changed it. So yeah, I might make another video, we'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Pro Concealer in Fawn for like a lighter base for my eyelid, so like the color can like pop out more. When I tell you I haven't done like a creative look in so long, like I hope it turns out good. If it don't, y'all will never see this video. And I'm just gonna take this brush and just put the product all over my lid. I'm gonna take my Mercier powder, translucent powder, and I think it's medium deep. My favorite. Ooh, yummy. And I'm just gonna pat it on my eye. I'm gonna pat it on my eyes, and yeah, I wish this had a lighter color for my for the concealer, but I don't. So we just gonna work with what I got. Okay, we're gonna work with it. So I'm gonna go into my Juvias Place palette. I know I didn't want to use it, but I don't care. So I'm gonna take the color Credit, and I'm gonna use my Morphe eyeshadow brush, and I'm just gonna go into my outer corner. I'm tapping in the product because it's easier, and the color comes out more when you tap in the product. And with this palette, with the shades, you don't really need to put that much effort to get the color that you actually want. So I'm just tapping the product, and then I'm gonna do my inner corner. So taking that too, just gonna do the same thing. I wanted to do a different quarantine look, but I don't have the proper colors. I don't have the proper eyeshadow colors, so I guess I'm gonna start investing in those and get more colors, so I need the looks I want. So I'm just keep doing that. Yeah, I went back to my outer corner because this wasn't getting proper. Okay, so I'm going back to my inner corner. I'm doing the same thing. Bet. Now I'm gonna go into my Masquerade palette by Juvias. I'm gonna take the color Ada. And I'm gonna put that. I'm just gonna put that like inside of what I did. So this time I'm like tapping it in, but I'm blending at the same time. So like tap, blend. Honestly, right now I'm just winging it. Ooh, it's cute. It's kind of cute. See what I'm doing? When I get my creative juices flowing, That's when you get the best product. So I'm just gonna keep tapping and blending, tapping and blending. Oh, it looks so cute. Looks so cute. Yum. And then I'm just gonna take my brush that came with the it came with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette, and I'm just gonna, I think I'm gonna go back into the color Credit, and I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit because it's looking kind of cute. It's looking kind of like dense. Yes, babes, I love that. Yes, I love it. Okay, now I'm gonna go back into the Masquerade palette, and I'm gonna take the color Casablanca. I'm gonna take the color Casablanca brush, and I'm gonna tap it. God, please make this a good look, cause listen, I'm not trying to do it again. Ooh, yes, yes. She's looking kind of cute. Masquerade palette. I'm gonna take Aina again, and I'm just gonna lightly brush it in the middle, basically just to close up the look. And then I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills fluffy side of the brush, and I'm just gonna brush it alongside so everything blends well together. Okay, so I did my second eye, and now I'm going to use the NYX liquid liner. Then I'm gonna take my NYX On the Rise mascara. I'm just gonna put mascara on my eyelashes. Okay, so I put on my lashes. I actually don't know where these lashes are from. I got them from somewhere. I mean, my friend. So like, yeah, I really don't know where the lashes are from. So now it's time to do my face. So I'm gonna hit it with some Fenty Beauty primer. Ooh. Then I'm gonna take my Lancome foundation, my Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear. I use the shades 555 and 550. They don't have my shade. Hopefully hopefully they make it one day, but they don't. So I have to buy these two. And I also use my e.l.f. face brush, powder brush. Well, I use a powder brush for foundation, so whatever. So I use a pump and like a quarter of my 555, and then I go in with like maybe like, yeah, one full pump. Well, yeah, one full pump of the 550, and then just dab it around my skin. Okay, I dab it around my skin, and then after that I just blend. So then I'm gonna do my concealer. I conceal twice. So I use the Pro Concealer, the LA Pro Concealer in Beautiful Bronze. And you know, you can never go wrong with this concealer. It's drugstore. Well, is it drugstore? I don't know, I get it from the beauty supply. So I'm just gonna put the concealer underneath my eyes. usually let it sit for a minute, so I'm gonna be back when the minute's over. So now I'm gonna take my damp beauty blender and I'm just gonna pat it. I don't completely pat one side. I don't completely pat one side all the way down. I just go back and forth so it could conceal evenly. So now I'm gonna go into my Tarte Tape Shape concealer. I love it so much. It's not overhyped. Get it. So I got mine in Deep Sand. I'm just gonna put it under my eyes. I love my eyes to be bright. I'm literally putting this one wherever I put the last set. So with this concealer, I'm gonna let it set for like 30 seconds because it scares me. Actually 30 seconds to like a minute. So yeah, when it's like a minute, I'm gonna be back. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing with this concealer. Now I'm gonna take my Mercier powder and I'm going to set my face. I don't like putting too much powder underneath because I feel like I look kind of ghosty, so I just slightly do it. I really put this all over my face. Like, let's put it light, a little bit over here. Put it all over my face, and I'm just gonna let it sit. You feel me? I'm gonna let it sit and just let all the product just set. Now, if you've been with me for a long time, well, whenever I started this channel, I use my Morphe 350 palette, and I use these 4 colors to bronze. So Rihanna just dropped some bronzer, with some bomb bronzer, honestly. My sister got it, and I think it's worth my coin. So I'm gonna retire these 4 colors once I get it. Once we're back outside. Because once we're back outside, it's on site with the looks, okay? It's on site with it. Like, that's all I gotta say. Okay, now just gonna take powder brush and just wipe off all the powder. I know I look dry. I know, like, I need some water. Don't worry, we're gonna take care of that problem. So we're gonna go into my Nubian 2 Juvias Place Palette, and I'm gonna take this brush, and then I'm gonna go into the color Morocco, and I'm going to use this color as blush. Then I'm gonna use my Master Chrome concealer. I broke it, so yeah. And I also lost my highlighter thing that I use, my highlighting brush. Can't find any other one, but yeah, I'm just gonna use this one instead. Then I'm gonna take a brush and put it on. That was a lot, but whatever. gonna take my Morphe setting spray. I'm gonna set everything together and put everything together. Yes, I wish I had a fan, but I'm just gonna. For my lips, I'm gonna take my little Wet n Wild pencil in dark and gonna line my lips. Okay, so I was looking for my lip gloss, but I can't find it. So I'm just gonna use the So Juicy from ColourPop. It's in the color, well, it's clear. Okay guys, so that's the end of my tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys loved it. Y'all got to finally see how I do my makeup from beginning to end, and I also did a little bit of eyeshadow. My little quarantine look. I wish I could have done something like more colorful for you guys, but I didn't have like the right shadows and stuff to like do what I wanted to really do. So yeah, but I hope you guys really love this look, and I hope you guys continue to watch my videos, and thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have anything you guys want me to do, just leave it there in the comments, and hopefully I'll pull through with it. So thank you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks guys, bye.